And here's the puppies up and moving around. Of course, as soon as I grab the camera, they get all silly on me. The little dark boy's rolling over and he's trying to get up, but I think he's going to just give up and take a nap. Yep. They don't move around a whole lot these days. They eat and they sleep a lot. Yeah, look at you. Those eyes will be open any day now. Yep, little dark boy gave up. He's just going to take a nap. He crawled across the box and that's it. And little white boy followed him and looks like he's going to give up too. He just wants to find a pillow for his head to lay down. Well, darn. I tried. I just couldn't grab the camera quick enough to get a video. But I think you can see him a little bit here. Let me see if I can wake this guy up a little bit. Hey, you. Oh, I know. You're a sleepy boy. Yes, he's sleepy, sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy. Still looking a little bit dark in here. We'd keep it pretty dark in this room before their eyes are open. Make it more natural, more like it would be in the wild. In a den, they wouldn't have a lot of bright light going on. So there's just a little bit of light coming from the window. And the curtain's drawn over half of it. There he goes. Just needed to wake him up a little bit. So as you can see, they're still kind of wobbly, but they're getting around. Yep. Little by little. Yeah, where's Mom? Mom jumped out and they woke up. Yep. Oh, you gonna come check on him, Spirit? He's standing behind me, making sure they're all right. Wobbly, wobbly. Wobbly, wobbly. Oh, good. I'm glad he was willing to wobble around a little more after being woke up. Let's see a little bit more of them. I think that's about all we're going to get. Well, I think that's it. I think they ran out of steam again. Okay. There they are.